PAATHSHALA Pro.
Today I will tell you about all those set of letters whose formation is similar to each other. Let's begin with those set of letters and then we will understand their use case. The first set of letter is P, R, B. The next set is K, M, N. The third set of letter is T, F. The fourth set of letter is I, J. Next one is L, D. And next set is H, A. The seventh set of letter is Y, U, W, V. The eighth set of letter is C, O, Q, X. The ninth set of letter is G, S, E. And the last one is Z. If we look at all these set of letters carefully, we will get to observe that all these set of letters have similar formation. For example, the first set of letters P, R, B, while forming them, we have to move our hand in a similar manner, and they have very minor differences which make their formation little bit different from each other. It is advisable to watch the video multiple times for better understanding and learning.